Oh crap, I miss it. There it is. We have a new resident. It is the prettiest little bird. Pretty little yellow-breasted bird. Look at that pretty thing. My goodness, what is that, guys and gals? That is the prettiest little bird. Nobody's visiting the 4K. Wait, somebody up there? There she goes. If she sits in front of that 4K, I'll be happy. I'm gonna fire it up. I can't fire up the 4K. Maybe I can. She's probably getting caught. That prettiest little bird. Tell me what it is if you know. It's it looks like the Carolina wren. It just fluttered by. It looks like the Carolina wren, but it's prettier colors. See, I can't see it in my eye. There we go. Look at that pretty little thing. What are you doing, little birdie? Look at that bird. As close as I can get to it, but that 4K is shooting a picture of it right now, guys and gals. I'll try to put this little bit together that I got handheld on the 4K with that new 4K that's churning away up there. Look at her. Alright, I'm going to wrap this one up because we're pretty far away and that 4K is doing its job. We'll see what happens with this video.